Virtuosi couldn't be more different than traditional training. In fact, it's not training, it's education. Virtuosi is an educational platform developed to serve the pharmaceutical and life sciences sector. It's a unique combination of best-in-class technical content and the power of virtual reality. This will ensure that knowledge is fully transferred and embedded in the learner's long-term memory centers. The success of the pharmaceutical industry in this pandemic will be long-lasting and a basis for future unimagined speed to market. We believe Virtuosi will be the product to support these companies to rapidly scale their operations by reducing time to competency, and will play a major role in eliminating human error in personalized medicine where there is no margin for error. But the case for change is not a financial one, nor a regulatory one. It is the patient who right now is being prepped for surgery, the patient who is receiving ongoing life-sustaining therapies, and the patient who, if not now, in the near future will receive a single treatment of a personalized medicine and be cured of disease for life. They all have high expectations. It's personal for them. It's personal for me. This is why it matters.
Using innovative technologies, the scalable platform's advanced learning model integrates digital learning with corresponding virtual reality interactive experiences, providing on-demand, personalized education and real-time coaching.
VR is a really powerful tool for learning, particularly for kind of moving beyond rote recall and moving into authentic understanding. And it does this kind of in three main ways. One is through simulation, another is through coaching and mentorship, and a third way is sort of by being able to create a hyper-realistic environment that shows us things that we wouldn't normally be able to see in the world around us. We learn best by practicing something over and over and learning from our mistakes. And so VR can provide this safe environment where learners can practice and practice, make mistakes without any fear that they're going to have a negative impact on the environment around them. Virtual reality can be this sort of constantly vigilant coach or mentor that never gets tired, that's always exceptionally patient, and is super consistent.
With a unique combination of virtual and on-demand learning tools, Virtuosi provides a powerful solution to addressing historical industry challenges.
Virtuosi is having a really powerful impact on organizations. In other words, people are learning faster. Organizations are seeing a reduced amount of human error, and at the same time, they're seeing a reduced time to competency. A recent study showed that surgeons who were trained for a particular procedure using VR were able to perform that procedure 30% faster, with a 6 times reduction in errors, which is pretty powerful. And if an organization in pharma, for example, can capture just a fraction of that progress, that would be tremendous for the patient, for the organization in general. What this really means is that pharmaceutical organizations are going to be able to sort of have it all. And by that, I mean that they'll be able to create a reliable, predictable supply of medications at a high quality and at the same time at a price that's appropriate for patients. So they don't have to choose one or two of these, but really they're able to have it all. There are a number of really big changes brewing in pharmaceuticals right now, but none of these revolutions are going to be possible without a corresponding revolution in education and training. And that's what Virtuosi really brings to the table.
For more information, visit virtuosivr.com.